Hi, I'm here with Kevin Kwan at the infill area, and you remember recently we showed you progress in the erection of the shaft for the elevator. Now if you look, the elevator shaft height is now complete. Now they'll be doing some final finishing, but obviously this is major progress that we wanted to share with you. There will be work that will be going on very soon over here with the block going in and the expansion joints, and that will allow for the waterproofing, and so many things were stacked up as a result of that will now happen. So we'll show you now a short video which I think will be helpful for you to see the progress. That's time-lapse photography showing the erection of the elevator shaft.